Hello and welcome. Welcome to YouTube channel Write Code with me. So in this channel I'll start with basic programming languages and then start moving toward to advanced. Currently I'll start with the basic how to set up with VS Code and Chrome to start with HTML programming. So you need to install the VS Code. So this is my VS Code and there is a Chrome which I have already downloaded. Now let's start with the VS Code setup. First of all, before I start, then let's overview the few things which I need to start with the basic styling. One is theme. Theme is very important for making code look like importance thing and you love it while developing. So I'll search for the Moonlight. So this one I would like to install, and then there is a next thing we have to do, which is called Prettier, which is for formatting your code. Like it would be JavaScript, it would be TypeScript, maybe HTML you would like to format. So if your code is neat and clean, so other developer can easily understand, or it's for yourself, you should easily to understand what things you have written in the block of code, what does it mean and all. So let's install the Prettier. And for working on the HTML part, so you need to check your code in the browser. So for that I'll go for the live reload. So there is a live server which help us to do the thing like automatic start with the server, and then whatever changes you will do, that changes it will keep you updated immediately. So you should not require external server to get started with that, or no need to refresh your browser, because it's a hot reload, and automatically if you change anything in your HTML code or part of the CSS, it will automatically start watching and give you the instant result. So as you can see over here, so let's get installed this one as well. So we are almost done with the basic setup. Now we have to create few repository which I'll walk you through and you can follow along with that. Let's start with Write Code with me. In this folder I'll start with starting HTML part. So I'll start with HTML projects, which I'll cover most of the thing which I have developed till now with the HTML only. Then we'll go for the CSS and I'll guide you how to create CSS art and CSS projects. So most of the things styling part, and then we'll start with React, which most important nowadays, it's very famous and very useful for the people. So I'll start with the React project coming days. And last in the list, so we'll start with Flutter as well for app development. So these four things will start one by one, but today I'll just give you the basic how to start with the HTML part. So this is, and let's create another folder called basic HTML. Okay, and now you can open this folder by navigating to that particular project. That's it. So this project is started with this one, and now let's start putting one index.html. So this index.html, let's drop some basic boilerplate. So to get that boilerplate, starting with the doc type, which is HTML5. So here we'll start with the basic HTML, and to keep it testing like S2 tag whether it's working or not, So let's say welcome to write code with me. So wcwm. Okay, so just save this file and let's check whether this changes. Let me just zoom it out a little bit longer so that you can see easily. So just right click and open with live server. Okay, yes, so the changes what we have done over here, it's visible. And let's start making few changes, see if it is working or not. So write code with e. So let's save these changes. Okay, so fine, so it's working. So this is how you can start with your basic understanding of setting up the VS Code, installing theme, installing formatter, so and library loader. So that's it for this, and next we'll start with other part of the HTML and writing CSS and writing other JavaScript projects and all. So this is how it is. So basic, let's go with the next session. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.